In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the unable to open link error when you try to open any link from Google Search. First, open the Play Store on your phone. In the search bar, type Chrome and open the Google Chrome app page. Here, make sure Chrome is not disabled. If you see an Enable button, tap on it to enable Chrome. Also check that Chrome is updated. If you see an update option, tap Update. If it only shows Open, that means it's already up to date. Next, go to your phone's settings. Tap on Apps or Application Manager. Now tap the three dots in the top right corner. Select Reset App Preferences and confirm. This will reset default app settings without deleting any data. After doing this, go back and try opening a link from Google Search again. Now when you tap on any link, it should open normally without showing the Unable to Open Link message. And that's it. That's how you fix the Unable to Open Link issue in Google. If this helped you out, please subscribe. It really helps me out as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.